Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Modi says India is moving ahead with clear roadmap for environment protection, climate change. Present government deserves credit as it has not only formed the committee but taken the initiative to visit the disputed areas, says BJP State President Ernest Mauri. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma paid tribute to police personnel from across the nation at the National Police Memorial in Chanakya, Puri. And review of the job reservation policy of 1972 will not put an end to the unemployment problem, says UDP legislator Paul Lingdor. And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that the poor and developing nations are paying the price for the wrong policies of some developed countries, highlighting that India has been strongly raising the issue of climate justice with such developed countries. He stated this in a video message at the World Environment Day event in New Delhi. Modi said the model of development of advanced countries was contradictory for a long time, as under this model, the thinking of these countries was to develop themselves first, then they can think about the environment. He added that India in the 21st century is moving forward with a clear roadmap on climate change and environmental protection. He also highlighted the initiatives including Green Hydrogen Mission, focus on natural farming and green economy.
आज 21वीं सदी का भारत क्लाइमेट चेंज और पर्यावरण की रक्षा के लिए बहुत स्पष्ट रोडमैप लेकर चल रहा है। भारत ने प्रेजेंट रिक्वायरमेंट्स और फ्यूचर विजन का एक बैलेंस बनाया है। हमने एक तरफ गरीब से गरीब को जरूरी मदद दी, उसकी आवश्यकताओं को पूर्ण करने का भरसक प्रयास किया, तो दूसरी तरफ भविष्य की ऊर्जा जरूरतों को देखते हुए बड़े कदम भी उठाए हैं।
BJP State President Ernest Mauri said that it is only the present government who is trying to resolve the long-pending interstate boundary dispute. While lambasting the previous government, Mauri said it was only election propaganda since none of the government in the past has made efforts to resolve the boundary issue. He said that the present government deserves credit as it has not only formed the committee, but it had taken the initiative to visit the disputed areas. He further said that the party will applaud on the good things being done by this government.
I need to appreciate our Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad Sangma, who has shown a keen interest with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Shri Himanta Biswa Sarma ji. In a short span of time, 6 out of 12 issues has been settled between the Assam and Meghalaya. This is true in certain areas. There are still small dispute remaining, but both the state leadership is working out to get a permanent solution.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Monday paid tribute to police personnel from across the nation at the National Police Memorial in Chanakya, Puri, New Delhi. Education Minister, Power Minister, DG of Meghalaya Police and other officials were also present. In his tweet, Sangma said that he met Smiti Chandra Maya Chetri, mother of late Inspector Pratap Bahadur Chetri of Meghalaya Police, who heroically laid down his life in the line of duty. He also said that he will always remember the sacrifice of our martyrs. The National Police Memorial creates a sense of connect to our history, humbling each of us as we remember the sacrifice of our police personnel. UDP legislator Paul Lingdor on Monday said that the review of the job reservation policy of 1972 will not put an end to the unemployment problem in the state. While speaking to reporters, Lingdo said that there are only 500 job vacancies in the various government undertakings in a year, adding that this is a dwindling sector in terms of employment. According to him, there is a need to talk more of sectors like tourism, weaving, village tourism, government-aided projects, as they provide a lot of opportunities, especially at this juncture when the first quarter of the 21st century is about to complete in another 2 years' time.
We should talk more about sectors like tourism, weaving, village tourism, about government-aided projects, lots of opportunities. So I feel that our sense of priorities is very wrong. Our real issues are drug addiction, single mother families, child malnourishment, infant mortality rate, landlessness. These are the issues that concern us.
The Meghalaya town Dorbar on Monday organized a special cleaning drive at the Umshing River and Solang stream as part of the World Environment Day celebration. The town Dorbar also organized a tree plantation program at Lom Maupat. This initiative has been taken up through the financial support of the Chief Minister under the model scheme to revitalize these two water sources of Meghalaya. A total number of 500 plus volunteers from the 16 Dorbar Shnongs who are part of Meghalaya town Dorbar took part in the program. While speaking to reporters, Dorbar town secretary Dr. Macromitri said that the rejuvenation of these water bodies is very critical for the water supply scheme to feed potable water to the various localities of Meghalaya.
Today we are celebrating the World Environment Day, and this time we are doing it in a bigger mode, where all the 16 Dorbars within Meghalaya town Dorbar are engaged in this program. The first step is we have there are two phases. One group around 9 Dorbars are engaged in cleaning and the stream from the source, that is from Umshing Japung, to the PHE intake point in Montmasar. This is about a stretch of maybe about 500 meters. And another group, few Dorbars are engaged in planting saplings up there in the Maupat range, which is the source of this water.
The Office of the Deputy Commissioner West Giant Hills District today observed World Environment Day with this year's theme Beat Plastic Pollution at Samanlang Pastoral Centre, Lombi, Sintu. The district administration joined in reducing their carbon footprint by avoiding unnecessary waste and reducing the use of fossil fuels by travelling to the venue in a bus arranged by the DC office. The function was attended by the Deputy Commissioner B.S. Solia as the chief guest. The celebration was participated in by the district heads from different departments, YH Nong of town, Jowai, students and college. Later, certificates were distributed by the chief guest to the departments and localities who took part in various programs. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 26.8 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 17.2 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 62% and in the evening 70%. Forecast light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at isolated places. And now let's have a look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi says India is moving ahead with clear roadmap for environment protection and climate change. Present government deserves credit as it has not only formed the committee but taken the initiative to visit disputed areas, says BJP State President Ernest Mauri. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma paid tribute to police personnel from across the nation at the National Police Memorial in Chanakya, Puri. And review of the job reservation policy of 1972 will not put an end to the unemployment problem, says UDP legislator Paul Lingdo. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Thank you.